Technology is one of the things that only seems to get better and more mobile as time passes. We are no strangers to seeing small tech before. Buffalo has unveiled a new 1TB SSD, and it is quite possibly the smallest we have ever seen. It's actually so small it's skin to the size of a USB dongle and weighs less than 5 grams. Buffalo releases world's smallest 1TB SSD. Details: this minuscule SSD is called SSD-PST51,0U3BA, and the dimensions of the SSD are 14:6x28 by 8 mm. The weight matches the looks at 4.5 g weight, which is about the weight of 2 pennies put together. The SSD is so small and light that it should fit even in the mini pockets of our jeans. Once you plug in an SSD like this, you can forget about it just like a receiver. Buffalo says it can even be used on a PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 to expand your game storage. W is equal to 750 and quality. Regarding transmission speeds, the SSD maxes out at 600 megabytes per second MBS write speeds and supports USB. Many other USB SSD options from big brands are also quite limited in speed, unless you get something like a Thunderbolt SSD. Buffalo 1TB tiny SSD. Pricing and availability: SSD-PST51 of this USB SSD is limited to East Asian markets, and it costs 16,880 yen, which converts to 100, and the SSD is scheduled to be released by late November, and the two models, 250 GB and 500 GB in capacity, are already, according to its official Amazon listing. The Buffalo 1TB SSD will be released on 19th November 2023. Remember that there will be added import taxes and delivery charges for availability in your area will depend on many factors. 150 GB version of the Buffalo SSD starts at 5,980 yen, which converts to featured image courtesy Buffalo. Learn more https://bbomb.com. Tiny 1 TB SSD, smaller than credit card.